summer block printed collections la ipo inda video la I have to show you 5 different shades of exclusive yes anichum signature product Maheshwari silk sarees anga 2900 plus shipping super ana ஒரு ரேட்ல இப்போ இந்த எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவ் பிளாக் printed and original natural dyes வச்சு பண்ணிருக்க கூடிய handmade Maheshwari silk sarees அனிச்சம்ல available. This is saree number 1. A lovely pink colorல இருக்கக்கூடிய saree floral patternsல இருக்கும் ajrak patternsல and Maheshwariயோட border saree-யோட ரெண்டு சைடும் வருது. This is palluங்க and we have this piece as our blouse. Such a lovely saree. This is saree number 1, 2900 plus shipping. Saree number 2, yes, the pearl white அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம்ல, we can say this as half white ன்னு சொல்லலாம். இந்த half white ல lavender tone ல border motifs பார்க்குறோங்க. And this is pallu. Blouse. Saree number 2, 2900 plus shipping. Saree number 3, half white with indigo blue color la irukkudiya exclusive pure Maheshwari silk saree. We have this Maheshwari borders and both the side of the saree. Super ana pallu paakrom and excellent ana oru blouse paakrom. This is saree number 3, 2900 plus shipping. Saree number 4, mustard green or mustard yellow combo la irukkudiya block printed. This is original Maheshwari silk saree handcrafted process la pannirukkudiya pallu and blouse. Saree number 4, 2900 plus shipping and saree number 5, yellow with bottle green. This is saree number 5. Super ana yellow exclusive pattern la and this is pallu, blouse. Saree number 5, 2900 plus shipping.